Hi guys, I'm going to show you a phenomenal and fantastic way to find the faces of this trapezium prism. What am I talking about? The surface area. In other words, the space all over each individual exterior face. That's what we're going to work out. Now, this is a trapezium prism and it has 6 faces, and we're going to do it in 5 simple and straightforward steps. Now, in order to work this out, first of all, we're going to need to find the front face first. Why? Because that's the trapezium part here. See that trapezium, 2 parallel lines and 2 lines coming out there? We do have a vertical height perpendicular right there. So, well, let's go to step number 1. Now, before we do that, all units are in meters, so the answer is going to be in meters squared. So let's find out the full scope of the entire space all over the skin of this trapezium prism. Step number 1, as I said earlier, is to work out the face, this front one here, which is a trapezium. Let's work that out. So the formula for the area of a trapezium is if you don't recall it, you may want to revise it from the other chapters, but feel free to watch this now as I go through it in a lot of detail for you. So we've got a half times the height. Now that height has to be perpendicular height. There's that perpendicular height there. It happens to be 5 meters. And the A plus B are the 2 parallel lines at top and bottom. We got here 10 meters across here. So if that's 10, that's also 10 here. Yeah, can you see that? That's 10 because that's 10. And down the bottom here at the base, we have 14 meters. So that's going to be A and B respectively. So let's plug in, drag and drop those numbers into the formula so we can work out the trapezium area of the front face. Now, by the way, if the front face comes up to a certain amount, the back face will be exactly the same. So let's work that out. Vertical height 5. A across here is 10. And B, the base, is 14. Okay, let's plunk that in the calculator. So it's going to be a half times 5, which is 2.5, times 10 plus 14. 10 plus 14 is 24. So multiplying all that throughout, the area of the front face altogether on your calculator is going to yield 60 meters squared. Okay, that's the front face, which means the back face is going to also be 60 meters. So let's put area of back. Okay, there's the area of the back. We've got the front and the back. Now where we go is to the right side face, and the right sided face is right over there. We can see the slant length there is 6 meters and the depth is 7. All we need to do now is length times breadth and work out that simple area of that rectangle right there. 6 times 7 is 42. So right-sided face, area of the right equals 6 times 7, which equals 42 meters squared. So there's the right side. Now if the right side is 42, guess what? The left side, because it's symmetrical, is exactly the same. So that's also going to be 42. So area left equals 42 meters squared. So we've got the front, we've got the back, we've got the right, we've got the left. Now let's work out the area of the top right up there. So what's that area? Well, that's going to be 10 across there times the depth there. It's going to be 10 times, and the depth is written right there. So if that's 7 there, that's also 7 there. So 10 times 7, that's going to give us 70. So that's the top face there. So area of top. Now, if the area of the top is 70 meters squared, is the area at the bottom? No, it's different, isn't it? Let's have a look here. The area of the bottom is 14 across there, and the depth is 7 across there. So that's going to be 14 times 7. So area of B, B for base or bottom, equals 14 times 7. And that yields a total of 14 times 7 is 98 meters squared. Now we've worked out 6 faces. Let's check that we got 6. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Therefore, we have all 6 faces. All we have to do now is add them all together to get the complete space, surface space of this and surface area of this trapezium prism. So let's add them all together. So we have the 260s, which are the areas of the front face and the back face. So let's write that up. And then we have the 242s, which is the right face and the left face. And then we have finally the top, which is up there, which is 70. And the bottom under there, 14 times 7, which is 98. Okay, let's get our calculators out so we can work out the total, complete, and scope and size of the skin and the exterior outside surface of this trapezium prism. So in our calculators, 60 plus 60 plus 42 plus 42 plus 70 plus 98, altogether grand total, the entire total complete surface area is
'Take a minute to check out our website at http://www.vividmaths.com. You'll find additional resources, cheat sheets, transcripts, and other maths videos that are not available on YouTube. Lastly, don't forget to subscribe to get access to all the written answers for your maths questions, plus other special offers.